bright and early out here, as you can probably tell. We're going to Cars and Coffee. Damn, I just got my sleeve wet. I'll see y'all at the Cars and Coffee. It's hella cold. It says 39 degrees right now. Oh, I found it. Alright, cool. We made it, guys. It's already a decent amount of stuff out here. Not super packed, but let's see what's out here. Yeah. Almost crashed. Just kidding. This thing parked. Yeah. Got this pretty cool Beetle here. Look at that. And shrinking back here. Nice wheels. ID if anybody wants to check it out. And it's a 4-speed. Very nice. It's like cream. Super clean. Got a cool C-tail. Round bed. Nice and simple. 5-speed. What else we got? Got the Dodge boys. All you Dodge fans out here. Couple demons. Really nice. Love the hoods on these. Some old stuff. Small block in there. Very nice. I'm definitely trying to get a Chevy wagon. My brother had one, and they fucking stole it. And it's pretty cool. My dad picked it up. And we didn't get a chance to enjoy it. But definitely trying to get one. I don't know which one. Another Beetle just pulled up. This thing's hella nice too.
Nope, sorry. I'm down below you. Ain't coming out.
This thing is crazy.
So the camper itself, without any of the stuff you see on it,
Colorado. Yeah, man, ain't too much going on. I just figured, you know, I like coming out to Cars and Coffee more just because you see the variety out here. It's actually a whole bunch of cool shit out here, not just swing buckets as I like to call them now. I forgot who told me that shit, but now I can't stop saying it because it's hilarious. But yeah, trying to get y'all some different content, trying to get y'all some more content, just trying to do more. So that's what we doing. This thing is very sexy, very clean interior. Man, definitely need a ooh, this hood is tight. I like that. But I was gonna say, definitely need a classic car for sure. Gotta have a truck and a car. But yeah, like I told y'all, it's a whole bunch of everything out here. Charging Coffee is the place to be when kind of just want to see some cool shit and hang out. This is cool, but that's cool. So let us send to you. People are hating on them. I think they're cool. I mean, it's not a Corvette in the sense that we all associated with, but shit, if this the new Corvette, then I'm not mad. These things are pretty fucking cool. Can't wait for that Z06 to come out. Should be pretty fucking gnarly. Look at that fucking thing. That's super cool. That looks diesel. That's crazy. Definitely gotta go get that. This is fucking crazy. Wow. This is the type of shit I'm interested in. Crazy ass shit like this. I don't care if it's right, I don't care if it's wrong. This shit's different and it's really fucking cool. God damn.
What up, dog? What up? Dude, I saw you rolling up to this.
Alright y'all, I made it back. As you can see, the sun is out now because I was trying to record the outro and the GoPro died because I'm a rookie and we need another battery. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Peace.